So back in the summer, Jacoby found out that he had cancer. So he's been battling that the entire school year. I came across a Japanese tradition where when you fold 1,000 paper cranes, it's similar to making a wish. So the students had to be patient and practice and work on folding those 1,000 paper cranes with Jacoby in mind, and so we set out on this challenge to show our love and support for Jacoby and his battle. It's been very heartwarming. He hasn't made it into school very much, so I think that's a way to put them on display and to kind of, let him know that even though he's not here, we are still thinking about him and what he's going through, and that he's being supported in any way that we can support him. I think it's pretty amazing because they've only been working on this for about a month. And so for them to fold 1,000 paper cranes in 1 month is really cool.
Miss Jet is the one that inspired me to help Jacoby to make paper cranes. Usually in Japan, people make 1,000 cranes just to get a person good luck. If they're sick, not well. Jacoby's been having a really hard time lately, and I just feel like making paper cranes and the whole school making paper cranes will help him bring good luck. Honestly, I feel really happy making them for Jacoby, and it really makes me feel good inside. Really hope he gets better.
So in June, I was diagnosed with stage 4 rhabdomyosarcoma. It's a type of cancer. I'm actually almost done with frontline chemo, and I only have 3 cycles left, but I'm gonna get through it, and then I'll get my port out, and it'll all be over. It feels really good. I really appreciate all the support people have been giving me. It just feels so great, and I don't think I'll ever forget this.